Say when. Are we on? Huh. Okay, we'll sync up this audio in case we have trouble. Sorry, mate. You'd think you'd be used to it after 24 years, wouldn't you? Stay there. Sorry about that. Seeing I'm already on. I love the ease. She thinks I'm bossy. Come on. A couple of things when you're doing Liberty, especially with two different personalities, you really need your hindquarter. Oh, hi everybody. You really need your hindquarter yields. If you haven't got hindquarter yields, you can't bring them back. Okay, you've got no lateral softness. You'll have plenty of forward probably, and we talked about this in the other live lessons. There's you need your lateral flexion and your forward movement. Okay, so hindquarter yield is like a lateral flex, and your forward movement is pretty easy at Liberty because they just run away. Lateral softness is the main thing you're going to need. So doing a straight point from say here to our outer marker, piece of cake. Bringing them back, meh, not so much. So that's the thing. I'm going to start them off. Now we've got to remember, poor old Major here, he can't see real good out of one eye, and some days it's both eyes, and some days it's her, I think, too. So sometimes I'll have to add in an audio to help him out. So, and that's why the clapping of the hands scared the bejeebers out of him a minute ago, because he probably thought it was a phase of some kind. So, got to be careful of those audios, okay? So, if you're using an audible cue with a horse, try to make sure you use everything else first. So, your intent, your body language, your position, all that before anything else, okay? So this is supposed to be, when we use our sticks, it's supposed to be position, not for pressure, okay? So try not to get those mixed up. If you're defending personal space, yes, it's then for pressure, but you've got to do all your other stuff first. Okay, enough waffling on. It's okay. I know what's going to happen already. This is going to be chaos for the first few moments, and when you're doing this when you're practicing yourself, and it goes chaotic, don't worry too much. Try to shape that chaos. Those of you who've got children will understand that, and direct it into a positive direction. So, or if you ever tried to coach a team of kids, so you'll know what I mean. So, you know, generally if they just go in that direction, and you know, if they scatter in different directions, then I'll just focus on getting one back to a comfort spot, and then go get the other one. Don't try and run around like a chook with your head cut off. Are you allowed to say that anymore? I'm not sure. Anyhow, I'll find out, won't I? So here we go. Which one should we go for first? I'm going to try this marker over here. So just go over there, babe. Oh, hindquarter yield. Oh, there's that hindquarter yield that ain't working. So I'm going to focus on her and get that hindquarter yield. Yeah. And a bit of forward. Don't make faces at me. No, we're not going anywhere. Oh God, yes we are. Alright, sorry Liam. That's my cameraman. He's getting run over. That's not even the marker I wanted. Thanks for trying. Come back here. Come on. I'm going to walk backwards, which is always a nice thing for a dominant horse. Come on. You good now? Wrong marker, but nice try. That brings up something that I wanted to point out to you guys too. If you do too much of this, exactly the same every time, they're going to start guessing. Like there, that was a guess. Okay, I tried to get a hindquarter yield on them. It didn't work, but they came back to the marker when I walked backwards. Okay, so that was one positive, but the negative was that they started the pattern by themselves. So it means I've got to mix it up a little bit, but not today, and try not to run my cameraman over. Okay, with this one this time, okay? That one. Now I'm going to go back away from where I want them to go. Try and steer them, so trying to get a hindquarter yield, keep going. Don't come in on your marker. Here I'm going to go backwards with my hind. Major's got it. Don't go backwards, Liam, don't go backwards, wave your leg. Yep, good job. Come here, you. This way. Don't you move. Here goes that hindquarter yield, the one that wasn't working a minute ago. So here, give her a bit of an audible. See if I can get a hind here, because she looks like she's going to do it. So I'm walking towards her hindquarter. I don't need to do anything more than that. Just walk towards it, until it goes, and she'll probably line herself up against Major for some reason. And come forward. Come forward. Come on. This is chaos. I told you it'd be chaos, not you. No. Yeah, sort of. Hey, there we go. I don't know where he went. Are you doing markers? Which one are we on? That one. That one. He thinks you're a marker, Liam. Stay there. Come on, you. Stop guessing. Yeah, you got a good hindquarter yield, haven't you? Alright, on to the next one, guys. Keep moving. That's you. This is fun. Alright, now I want a hindquarter yield here from that big horse. I'm going to go backwards. She'll probably hook onto Major, I hope. Come on. No, she's going to wait there. Good boy. You've done this before, eh? Come on, babe. Here we go with the ears. She likes it when I walk backwards. Piece of cake, eh? How hard can it be? So I'm just going to come over here a bit because it's a bit windy. Stay there, guys. So I'm going to muck around with that for a while. You can see the importance of the hindquarter yield at a distance. If you're really having big trouble, I'll show you another technique. But that's the sort of thing that's going to happen for you. You've really got to get that hindquarter yield and that bring forward to come towards you. Now, for some horses who are lacking a bit of confidence, they won't want to walk straight towards a human. Okay, so you may have to turn to the side a little bit. They don't want to come like this. So you might have to go like that. Whatever works for your horse. There's no rules, just principles. But if you do... Now this is just for fun, okay? So at the moment this isn't doing anything for their bodies, not lifting their backs, anything like that, yet. If we were doing turns with good impulsion and good transitions, walk, trot or trot, canter transitions, in and out of the turns, they would have to start to use their hind and their back. So at the moment we're really just working with their minds. It's great mental stimulation for your horse. So if you don't get a lot of time, or your horse is in a place where it can't get out and get some enjoyment with some friends, so we're kind of lucky here. We've got a big paddock out the back where we can put all of our horses and they chase each other around, chase the ducks, chase the dingoes. Saw one chasing a bush turkey the other day, so it's good entertainment for them. If you can do this, if you live in a small area and your horse doesn't get much mental stimulation, it's real important you actually do it. So make sure you do it. Be careful. Also, when you're moving horses around a lot at liberty, you can lose your connection. Okay, so they start to get to where they won't let you walk straight up to them because they think you're going to do something. So be careful of that. All right, so what was that thing I was going to say, Len? Oh, if it's really hard, just do it short range like this. Oh, it was short range. So I've got one horse sort of short range at the moment. The other one will work it out in a minute. Hindquarter yield. And here, as she comes forward, we're going to go towards our marker. Okay, and ideally I'd have 2 horses. Come on. Oh, I was talking to you too. I'll just get this hindquarter yield. See, this is that side he goes blind on. You watch, you come in behind her, no? Major. Yeah. I'm talking to you. Hind, I was sort of trying to tell you. So he can see a bit of peripheral vision, but sometimes he can't see anything, it seems. Alright. So if it's real hard for you in the beginning, and if you're doing this with just one horse, start off short range, then as you're going to your corner marker, let them have a bit of distance, hindquarter yield, bring them back, and go back to your centre marker. Get the pattern happening. Looks like fun. I'm going to do this. I've done this about, well, these horses have done Liberty before, but I think I've done this 2 horses at once because I was trying to save time when I was doing the bareback lessons for you guys, and it was great fun. It was worse than that once, and it's been fun. I think we've done about 10 times all up. So I'm going to do this 3 times during this week, and we'll see how I've improved by next Saturday at 9:30. Okay, guys, hope you enjoy that and picked up a little bit along the way. Thank you.